Why use a wooden spoon for cooking? Welcome to News You Can Eat. I'm Chef Walter. It's a typical question among the participants of my cooking school. Using wood spoons to stir food accomplishes several objectives. Wooden spoon stays cool to the touch. Your pan won't be scratched. The mixing becomes more uniform. Wood is naturally antibacterial and sanitary because they are treated with mineral oil during the production, creating a surface where bacteria won't grow. Wooden spoons should not be placed in dishwasher or washed in extremely hot water because they will dry out and eventually crack. Rub with mineral oil and keep them smooth for a lasting time. They are best used for stirring legumes, risotti, and all kinds of flour-related products, such as pasta and couscous. And that is News You Can Eat for today. We'll see you next time. Ciao.